Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Goulding as a transition point. Goulding exists in a space between places. It sits just beyond the Arizona border, marking a subtle but noticeable shift in landscape, jurisdiction, and movement. For travelers, it feels like a transition rather than a destination. The surrounding terrain begins to open differently here. Distances feel longer and landmarks feel more isolated. Roads stretch outwards with fewer interruptions, reinforcing the sense that this area belongs more to the land than to the development. Unlike towns built around agriculture or industry, Goulding is built around passage. Everything about it reflects movement. Buildings face roads rather than streets. Open space dominates the layout. The settlement is designed to be encountered briefly, not explored deeply. This transitional role gives Goulding a unique identity. It does not compete for attention. Instead, it offers quiet utility. It provides a moment of pause, fuel, rest, orientation, before travel continues towards more populated areas or deeper into remote regions. The absence of noise and density is striking. There is no constant activity, no crowds, no layered infrastructure. What exists is deliberate and restrained. That restraint allows the surrounding landscape to remain the dominant presence. Being just outside Arizona also gives Goulding a borderland character. It sits nearby in multiple cultural and administrative boundaries, reinforcing the idea that this is a place shaped by overlap rather than ownership. It belongs slightly everywhere and fully nowhere. For many, Goulding passes by quickly. For others, it becomes a marker, a remembered stop on a longer journey. Its role is subtle but important. Without places like this, long-distance travel would feel more abstract and disconnected. Goulding endures because it fulfills a specific function. It does not ask for attention. It simply exists at the edge, bridging distance and reminding travelers that even the smallest place can define the rhythm of a journey.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.